Accuracy. Accuracy means being correct or exact. When something is done with accuracy, it's done without any mistakes. Example sentences. The accuracy of her answers impressed the teacher. The accuracy of her answers impressed the teacher. He aimed with accuracy and hit the target perfectly. He aimed with accuracy and hit the target perfectly. The calculator helps with accuracy in math problems. The calculator helps with accuracy in math problems. Doctors need great accuracy when performing surgery. Doctors need great accuracy when performing surgery. Her accuracy in spelling every word was amazing. Her accuracy in spelling every word was amazing.